Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. When is it time to change guitar strings? Fact: you cannot know what any guitar really sounds like unless you play it with a good quality set of strings on it. Many times I have had students bring in a guitar that has old rusted strings, and I will ask, when was the last time that you changed strings on your guitar? Many times the answer is never. Here's how you know it's time to put on new strings. 1. The strings are hard to tune or constantly going out of tune. This means that the strings are dead. This happens when guitar strings are just old. Many times guitars in music stores sit on the wall for a long time with the strings exposed to air, heat, cold, whatever. They might look okay, but their tonal qualities are long gone. 2. Discoloration. Strings that have spots or have turned brown and don't shine anymore. New strings are nice and shiny. They're going to look good, feel good, and sound good when you play them. Strings do not have a good tone. New strings will have a nice, clear, bright, and brassy sound that will help to make whatever you play to sound better. Your strings have an offensive odor or cause your hands to have an odor when you play. This odor is caused by oxidation or rust forming on the strings from use or age. It's time for new ones. These are the circumstances that I believe will let you know that it's time to get new strings for your guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.